Welcome back, adventurers. With a 2,000-mile enduro vacation trip behind me, it was time to set out for my first solo camp trip. The whole reason for camping was because we were going to get to go and ride Gold Camp and Shelf Road, which apparently are not recommended in the summer because it becomes hot as balls. So, with most of this track being south of Colorado Springs, I headed for this finish flag here, hoping to see a good view of Pikes Peak. Turns out just surrounded by trees. So, just in case the finish flag didn't work out, I had plotted this little circle here in hopes at some amazing scenery when I woke up in the morning. Problem was, I went anti-clockwise to get where my motorcycle is parked here, which was campground. What's the problem, you ask? Well, that involved 300V. 300V was on the other side of the hill, which doesn't receive much sunlight. All I got was pictures because I figured, my battery died just before I got to the campsite, no need to change the battery. I did finally sink my back tire in enough to get this picture here without the kickstand down. I guess, go me? Anyway, made it to camp, got Pikes Peak in the background, life is fantastic. And then a little before 10, Nate's truck come rumbling down the trail because coming from Wyoming, he didn't want to drive early in the morning either. Let's see if you can figure out which one of us hasn't ridden since last year.
Yeah.
Alright, enough tomfoolery. Time to go find some snow and go through some tunnels.
Yep. I found a talker. That was nice. Yep. Really nice. Fuck that, man. Fuck that. That's for you with the brass balls, not me, man. Dude, that's what he did the whole snow ride. Steve's line.
marking this as a successful kickstart to the 2023 group ride season. Looking forward to all the freaking amazing terrain that 2023 has to bring. Keep the rubber side down. Thanks for watching.